everyone, welcome to my series where I turn something old into something new. Today, I'll be remaking this basic plain tank top into a nice lace tank top. For this tutorial, you'll need a tank top, lace fabric, fabric shears, ribbon, measuring tape, chalk, pins, and a sewing machine. After cropping the top to your desired length, measure the length of the bottom and multiply it by 2. Then measure the length of the straps of the top. Next, make folds in the center of the neckline and pin them in place. Then cut the lace depending on the measurements you took of the top. Since my bottom length measurement was 14 inches, I cut one strip of lace that was 28 inches. For my sleeves, I cut 2 pieces of 9-inch lace. Then start pinning the lace to your top. These are the places you will have to stitch. Then take your ribbon and make a nice little bow which will go on the scrunched part of the neckline. And now all you have to do is stitch. And you're done! I've always seen pictures of these lace tank tops trending online and always wanted one for myself. I'm so happy with how this top turned out and I really hope you like it too. If you liked this tutorial, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to catch you in the next one.